Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I hope so you all will be enjoying your good health. This channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. So if you still haven't subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. As I have discussed earlier about home country license issue in Dataflow of Saudi license exam, I have also talked about PEPTA, Pakistan Physical Therapy Association, and Allied Health License or Certificate. Dataflow is accepting Allied Health Certificate or license but not accepting PEPTA membership. But the cost of Allied Health license is around 10,000 to 20,000 PKR, and not everyone can afford it easily, obviously. 10,000 is for those who have graduated from government universities, and 20,000 is for those who have graduated from private universities. So there is a good news for you all. One of my client has received positive Dataflow report by uploading endorsement letter. Now, what is endorsement letter? You can watch it on screen. So you have to sign this document, and passport number is also required. So this letter is only to declare that you hold an academic qualification but do not hold a professional practice license, as there is no governing body in your country. Now further, how to get that endorsement letter. I have also uploaded a video about Ministry of National Health Services letter. Simply you have to edit this letter and upload it in the place of home country license. After submitting Dataflow case, they will mail you endorsement letter, which you will have to upload there, and they will mention that the check is insufficient, add the missing document. By clicking on provide missing document, you will have to upload their endorsement letter. This is acceptable by Saudi Council for Healthcare Specialties, Dataflow, and you will get your Dataflow positive without home country license. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.